Today in this video, I'm going to share you one secret that no one is talking about and I still use till the day. And this video is super practical and action oriented. That's why I don't want to make this video super long for no reason. So let's get started. So before I share this hack, I want to make one thing clear. Stop watching this video if you don't have patience, if you think that building business is a shortcut. Because I tried and tested a lot of hacks, a lot of tips, tutorials, courses, coaches, but to convert clients in an organic way, to build a business in the long run, I needed to learn to have patience. So for a hack like this to work, a lot of factors matters. And here are the 3 things that you need to keep in mind. Number 1, having a really good brand presence. So ask yourself these following questions. Are you posting consistently your contents? Are your contents valuable and worth a read or worth a view? Are you showing up your authority through your contents? Are you consistently showing up in your brand? So if you said yes, that's a really good news. But if you said no, then stop watching this video and go and watch another video where you can learn how to build a good brand presence and then come back again. Because first step is you need to have really good brand presence and implement those strategies, and you can again come back here and start watching the video. Why? Because think through your client's perspective. Do you think that client would be ready to work with you even if they haven't seen your work? No, right? And in today's world, not just having a good brand presence is important. We need to have a really great brand presence because the competition is really high. And our brand and our content needs to scream that I am the one, so that client would exactly feel, oh, this is the person with whom I should go, move forward and trust my money with. And number 2 is good services. So ask yourself these following questions. Number 1, is your offer well packaged? Number 2, does your services generate ROI to your clients? Number 3, do you think your services is going to help certain problems that your clients have and you have that exact solutions through your services? Because the power of having a good service is so immense because it sells by itself. And pro tip, if you are just starting out your online service-based business, then I want you to focus on only one solution and one service to provide to your clients, because we need to stand out right away, and also we need to sell through our contents and tell them that we are the one for that specific problem and we have that solution, and we need to be known for that one solutions for a long time so that we can expand to different services and expand our business. And number 3, you need to have some testimonials and the results that you can show to your clients. So I assume that some of you have already worked with some clients before, or you had a job. So gather all of those results and testimonials. Ask your boss, ask your clients that if they can provide a written or a video testimonials for your work. But if some of you are thinking that you don't even have that experience, you don't even have that kind of testimonials and results that you can gather from, then you need to start working for free. You need to start working for maybe minimum price. You need to find people whom you can serve and provide solutions, and then you can gather testimonials from. There are multiple of options out there, and you just need to take that action. Whether you can implement the strategies that you have just learned from YouTube, like this video, and implement on your profile, so that results, so that testimonials, or even you can go and find 9-to-5 job, because from there also you can gather a lot of experiences. You can learn a lot of resources for free. You can learn how the systems work, and the most valuable resource right now you have is the time. So utilize, leverage it so well so that you don't have to worry in future. And being action focused right now will return you tenfolds in future rather than just being a knowledge-based entrepreneur. So start gathering those testimonials, those results, or the smallest client wins and share it on your profile. Share it through your socials or put it in the portfolio. And you need to give a stranger a reason for you to trust with their money. And mind you, you just need few testimonials. You don't need thousands of results in order to land to your next paid client. But remember, once you get paid clients, always remember that client wins are your wins, and give your 100% to provide that best result to your clients, because their win is your win and it's gonna give you tenfolds in return. You don't have to worry about your next future clients. But if you are already ready with these 3 things and now you just want to find that one strategy that would really work for you to find that high-end, high-ticket and sold-aligned clients with whom you would really enjoy working with, then let's move on to this strategy. So I'm already in my computer screen and I'm going to show you my strategy, how I do it. For example, your ideal audiences are food bloggers or coaches or social media managers or real estate agents. It can be anyone, so you know it better. So go to your Instagram and find your ideal audiences, whether use hashtag, whether use different keywords to find your ideal audiences, because I believe that you have already in your mind who your ideal audiences are. So mine are food bloggers, okay? So I'm gonna see the screen and I have also certain criterias. What kind of clients do I really want to work with? So number 1 is they need to be posting. They should be consistent. They should be creating amazing video contents. So I'm just gonna go through, I'm gonna watch some of their videos and their views as well. Okay, so these are doing amazing, right? So she is my ideal client, so I'm gonna simply follow her. If you're watching this, if my ideal clients are watching this, then hi. So here comes the juicy part. So I'm gonna send a text to 𝗥𝗘𝗘, okay? So this is the just beginning template. Hey, instead of Hannah, 𝗥𝗘𝗘. Just came across your profile and absolutely fell in love. The content looks so good. And this rapport building, it should be genuine, okay? So find your ideal audiences whom you really want to work with, and there is nothing wrong with that, because as an online service provider, it's like a team. We work with clients and we try to find the best clients possible so that to provide the best results to them, right? So it's win-win for both situations. So I genuinely loved her profile. It was really amazing. Her contents look good and I feel like, you know, she could do much more better with my services. So send and follow up with that. Your recipes are so easy to learn, and out of 100%, more than 50% people do reply to my these takes, because I'm not sending texts like this, straightly cold DMing and straightly telling that these are the services that you need to buy, or we can provide this kind of services. I'm just trying to genuinely make a connection. Even if she is not ready to work with, it would be amazing for me to just simply connect through my brand, through my company with her. And another thing is why I followed her account was to simply support her. So what I would do is I would just, you know, like and comment like all the vegan street food we had in this fruit. Then I would just simply say, looks amazing, I would love to try that. Okay, so I just posted a comment. So that's what I will be doing moving forward, because I really want her to grow. At the same time, I really want to work with her. And more you do and more you dig deeper to find their actual goals, actual problems they are facing, you will exactly know what kind of solutions you need to bring into the table. and your prospect would definitely feel like, who is this person, who is this girl, who is this man who is checking out my profile, who is digging deep, who wants to learn more about my work, and they're gonna go to your profile and see what kind of work you do. And if your services match their need, then definitely they are going to reach out to you. I guarantee on that, because I have brought a lot of high-end clients through this strategy, so it's well tested by me. So if you would do from pure intention, then it's not hard for you to get your next paid client. And I also love how organic it is, and it's a long game for our business as well, because we want to build our business and run our business for a really long time, right? So it's not a shortcut. It definitely takes time. You need to have patience. So I want you to try this strategy for at least 30 days consistently. Try to target 5 to 10 people per day. Keep a track of it, and you will see the major difference on the energy, how you show up. At the same time, it will build a lot of momentum in your brand. So yeah guys, I just can't believe that I shared this strategy with you guys today, but I'm really glad that I did. So now I want to see the results. I really hope that you will be able to work with your soul aligned clients. And if you don't want to miss another further videos from my YouTube channel, then subscribe to this channel. I'm gonna see you in my next video.